Okay, we have two companies, company ABC and company XYZ. They can get the fixed loan at ABC can get fixed loan at 9%, floating loan at MIBOR plus 0.3. Company XYZ can get fixed loan at 10.8 and floating loan at MIBOR plus 0.8. Okay, let me write it. We will be knowing swap is a exchange of cash flows. For example, when you say swap, a company which can get loan in a fixed market can give it to some other company, okay, when they need the fixed loan, and this company may be requiring a floating loan. In that case, they will be getting a floating loan from the counterparty. The net effect, net proceeds will be the same. Okay, for example, if the amount is 5 lakhs loan, then both will be taking same amount of 5 lakhs and they will be swapping the cash flows. Okay, and in this case, company ABC is having advantage in fixed rate and also floating rate. Both they are having the lower rate. Okay, and company XYZ is a weak company, and they are paying they have to pay a higher rate of interest. Okay, so who is at the advantage? ABC. Okay, still, if these people can swap, they can gain something in the deal. How it is done, we can see. So for that, the conditions are: first one is ABC requires floating loan, XYZ requires fixed loan. ABC requires floating loan, XYZ requires fixed loan. And the next one is when you have to calculate the profit available in the transaction, that is gain available in the transaction. Listen carefully. If one you can take it as a condition. Okay, if one company has advantage in both markets, that is low interest rate, then the gain would be deducted. That is, in fixed market, the difference is 1.8. Here the difference is 0.5. Okay, so this gain is 1.8 and this gain is 0.5. The net gain would remain 1.3. That is, we have in here 1.8 minus this gain of 0.5 should be deducted. So the net gain will be 1.3. Be clear with this. There are two conditions. First one is when one company has advantage in both markets, the gain should be deducted. The advantage should be deducted. So the net gain will be 1.8 minus 0.5, 1.3. Suppose one company is having advantage here and the other company is having advantage there. In that case, the gain should be added. Only with this background, you can approach a swap problem. So be clear. Here, in this case, both markets, only one company is having advantage. In that case, we need to reduce the gains. Okay, anyhow, I will write it. You can take it as a condition. one company has advantage in both markets, if one company has advantage in both the markets, that is low interest rate, then the gain should be deducted. Then the gain should be so in this case, floating rate gain is 1.8. I have told you, if the gain is for the same party in both the markets, the net gain should be deducted. So, net gain will be 1.8 minus 0.5, that will be 1.3%. This is the thumb rule, and you have to remember this, then only you can approach these swap problems. So here markets are in the different markets, same company is having advantage, so you deduct the advantage. You get 1.3%. It means when the swap is done, both the parties can get a gain of taken together 1.3%, and if you are sharing it, each one will be getting a 0.65% advantage in the loans. What is happening is, if this deal is not done, both would have paid 0.65% higher in the respective loans. When they take this swap agreement, they are reducing their interest rate percentage by 0.65. I told you this, remember as a thumb rule, that when the gain is for the same company, you deduct the gains, and whatever you get, it can be shared. So the net gain of 1.3% can be shared by two parties. If you understand this, then the next the distribution will be easy. Okay. So net gain is 1.3% equally shared by ABC and XY Z. Okay. Now, what is happening is, company ABC action. What company ABC will do and what company XYZ will do. Company ABC will borrow fixed rate of loan at 9% and it will give it to XYZ. And company XYZ will borrow at VIVA plus 0.8 and it will give it to company ABC. As we know, ABC wants floating loan, XYZ wants fixed loan. And in this way, what will be the gain? see that. First, let me write company ABC action. Company ABC action. What it is doing is, you can draw like this. Company ABC, it is borrowing here, and company XYZ, it is borrowing here. Okay. Company ABC borrows at 9%. Company XYZ borrows at MIBA plus 0.8%. Okay. So I will write company A action borrow fixed at 9% and give to XYZ. Company XYZ action borrow floating at the bar plus 0.8 and give to ABC. Okay. So this is the deal. This company has taken loan from here. This company has taken loan from here. Now we will see how the benefit is shared. Okay. Now, what is the benefit for ABC? Benefit for ABC is, see, if they have taken the loan, if they had taken floating rate of interest, what they would have paid? They would have paid MIBA plus 0.3. Okay. Suppose ABC wanted to take loan directly, floating rate of loan, it would have taken at MIBA plus 0.3. But here, what will happen is MIBA plus 0.3 minus 0.65 rate will be given by XYZ to company ABC because of the benefit. Okay. This 0.65% loan, gain, will be given to company ABC. So instead of this loan, they should have taken what they would have taken. They are getting a 6.65% gain. Okay. Now, benefit for XYZ will be XYZ. If they had taken loan directly, they would have taken 10.8%. But because of the deal, ABC will be giving the loan at 10.8 minus 0.65. That will be 10.15%. Okay. So this, in this case of ABC, it will be MIBA minus 0.35. Instead of MIBA plus 0.3, they are getting the loan at MIBA minus 0.35. Here, instead of 10.8%, they are getting the loan at 10.15%. Okay. So this deal is a swap deal and both parties are benefited. Okay. Net effect is each one is getting 0.65% loan. We can write it as a diagram. ABC, XYZ. ABC borrows at 9%. XYZ borrows at MIBA plus 8%. MIBA plus 0.8. And they exchange cash flows at the lower interest rate. Okay, ABC will be giving loan to XYZ at 10.15 fixed. Okay, XYZ will be giving the loan to ABC at VIBAR minus 0.35. Hence the deal is done. Okay, and we can again make a small diagram and we can show the benefit. Okay. So, deal without swap for ABC would have been okay. VIBAR plus 0.3 they should have borrowed. Instead, during the deal, they are borrowing it at VIBAR minus 0.35. There is a gain of minus 0.65. Okay. And in the case of XYZ, they would have borrowed at 10.8%. In this case, they are borrowing it at 10.15%. Okay. Both companies are benefited in this deal. You can write it as a table where each party, how they are getting benefited, can be shown. Okay. So both the ways, both the companies are getting benefit, and the condition is, as the benefit is for the only, the advantage is existing for only for one company, that net gain should be deducted. Okay. Thank you.